Hello there, welcome to this short overview video of the website corruptedfileonline.com. This is the website and it's the interface of the website. You can see here this is a modern looking website. Here is a corruption level also, light, medium and strong, and here is also a light mode and dark mode feature, which will give this website a modern and unique from its competitor. So right now I will show you the traffic of this website. You can see there is an active user from United States. As I am recording this video, there is an active user from United States on the website, so it's showing that the website is growing and traffic from tier 1 countries are coming in this website. So it's a good opportunity to earn big from tier 1 country. You can see here that most of the traffic comes from USA, and also you can see that other countries list here like Mexico, India and all. And there is also organic search. You can see that most of the visitors come in this website through organic visitor. If I search corrupt file generator, you can see that my website is ranking on Google first page at 10th position, and hope that it will go up in time when all backlinks are indexed, and Google will push it up also. So in this Google first page, you can see that my website is ranking, and it will give you lots of traffic when a website ranked on first page. You already know that. So this is the Google and also you can see that the keyword has a search volume of 90. So, and also there is CPC also, and this is the United States. So 90 search volume are from United States, and it will increase day by day because this website is very new, only 2 months old, and if you give time on this website, it will grow really well. You can see here is a Bing search result. If I search on Bing, I can see that my website is ranked on first page also. Not only this keyword, my website is ranked for several keywords on Bing first page, and most of the traffic right now coming from Bing, and Bing's traffic are 90% are from tier 1 countries. You all know that. So it's a good opportunity for earning. You can see here that AdSense ban checker. This website is not banned from AdSense, so you can apply for AdSense at any time. This is a new website, so it's very fresh, and you can see that because I told you that this website is 2 months old, and you can see that the website is registered on October 25th. So right now is December, so it's only 2 months old website, and this website already ranking. So you can imagine how much potential this website has in terms of SEO and ranking and getting traffic. Okay, now you can see here there is Google Search Console data, 3 months of data, although this website has 2 months only. So you can see that impression and clicks are going up, and Google start trusting my website. And here is the Bing Search Console data. You can see that lots of impression and also clicks, and it's also going up. So it's trending up really nicely. You can see that if I filter by country, you can see that most of the traffic comes from USA and other tier 1 countries. So it's a good indication of the website. And also you can see that in Google Search Console, if I filter it country wise, you can see that most of the traffic comes from USA. So right now I will show you the backlink status of this website. I did a 95% backlink manually by myself. That's why this website gets lots of backlink, and SEMrush authority score increased from 0 to 2. You can see here is a backlink from Yahoo, which is really good because Yahoo has a high DA on the internet, and it's very much popular. So this will give a boost of this website to rank well on search engines on Bing and Google also. So here is the backlink status. You can see that today this website got 1 new backlink, and it will increase day by day because I did lots of backlink which are not indexed yet, but they will index very shortly because it's a new website. That's why it's take time, but when those backlinks are indexed, this website will go up, and Google will trust this website very well. And all those links, mainly 99% links comes from related niche website like tech website and software developer and tools websites. That's why Google trusting this website a lot and give this website a push, because first when I launched this website was ranked on Google 2 or 3 number page, but now it's come up on number 1 page. So here you can see the whole interface of the website is quite modern, and it's well optimized. You can see this website. Here is an Instagram link. You can add your own Instagram here. There is a buy me a coffee button, which will help you to get donation, or if anyone want to give you any kind of money, they can do that by that. button. You just add your own link there. This will help you get money. And this is the about page. You can see there's animations which makes it really user friendly and attractive, so no one will thought this is an old website. This is modern and updated website. And its competitors are, if you visit its competitor, they are all old UI, old interface, which is boring and which does not interact with users. But this website is modern, and you can see again this data of traffic. This is a proof that this website is getting traffic, ranked on Google and Bing. So it's a great opportunity for any investor who want to buy the amount out of it. You can earn through anything like ads, affiliate and all. Thank you for watching this video.